So this is the bobbin case.
Okay, so that's the bobbin case right there. So you just got to make sure that you place the bobbin in there correctly. Make sure the bobbin has a thread in there. Okay, close the bobbin. Bobbin casing has to be covered. Okay. Now let's see if you can watch how she threads it. Okay, she's threading it around the first two. Now she put it through the first tension right there. I am no expert by no means in the sewing machine threading. Okay, so she threaded around the first one. And she went around the first, so did you go, when you threaded in here, babe, did you go around this way, or did you go the other way? Which way? We're just trying to, okay, so she went under, okay, and then it
When
latched.
it's clicked,
Yeah.
it's locked, you have to pull that one in.
Okay, so she,
Again, you
okay, so
plug
right
it.
here, there's a little latch right here. So she went around the tension spindle here. It made a little click noise, and then she went down to the second one here.
The second one is the same way. You have to
So you went, did you go around through the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so from the first one, you come around through the bottom, and then come back over here.
And then you have to make sure the thread is clicked to the, there's a hole in here that it clicked the thread to hold it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see that. Okay.
And then you have to
And then
put it in the hole, the first hole.
The first one, okay.
And you have to put your thread in this hoop here.
Okay, so it's got to go through the hoop.
And then there's a hole, a small hole in here.
Let me see. Where is it at? Oh, on the top of the needle. Okay, so on the top of the needle, you have to thread it right there on the top. Okay.
And then you put it in the...
You thread the needle.
Thread the needle. And you're good. And you're good. Now,
Okay.
you want to see how I stitch?
No, you don't have to worry about stitching. He just wants to know how it...
He wants to know how to do this, or?
Just a little bit, and then you...